What is going on, everyone? And today I have a special edition from a special type of company. And it's called Outlaw. So I'm unboxing today a nice little care package that I got from Outlaw. Now Outlaw sent me this, and let me say thus far, I'm kind of impressed just by the packaging. I mean, you get all these little, what looks like, whether it is or not, with permanent marker, handwritten notes all over it. So the soap. This stuff looks really good. It smells even better. Now the solid cologne. Now I've already taken this out of the package, but it's very cinnamony. And not that that's a bad thing. I feel like I would wear this around like the holidays, say, you know, the fall and everything, but it does have a pleasant smell to it. Now there's sidekicks. This is a 5-piece sample set. I haven't gotten to dig into this too much, but let's see what it actually has. Inside you get Calamity Jane, Fire in the Hole, the Badlands, the Gambler, and Blazing Saddles. Now they gave me Blazing Saddles. This is their liquid soap also. Let me say that this is nice in an aluminum can, which is great. You can reuse it or just recycle it. Throw it away with your beer cans. And Fire in the Hole deodorant. Now this is a 2-ounce bar, your standard, roll it up. It is not white so much or powder. It looks to be more of like that clear type, which I like because the powder, the white type, it seems to like get your shirts all nasty. It seems to get all your shirts all nasty, so I don't know how much of a fan I am of it. Now everyone, I'm going to have links for Outlaw in the description. You'll be able to check out their website. I'll have their Instagram on there as well. You guys should definitely check them out. They are a up-and-coming, they are a disruptor. I like disruptors. You know this. I've done many videos on it in the past. Now this is more of the rustic feel, as you can obviously tell, and hence why I'm on location again. So guys, if you haven't yet, you've gotten this far in the video, you've gotten some value out of it, please give it the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.